How to process an instant tipping transaction. To accept a tip through a debit or credit card on a purchase transaction, please note the tip amount can only be 20% of the purchase amount. Press the F1 key to initiate the purchase transaction. Then key in the purchase amount followed by the Enter key. Press F4 to add tip. Then key in tip amount that can be up to 20% of the purchase amount and press Enter. Then swipe your card. Then select the check account on the screen. Then key in the PIN number followed by the Enter key. Processing now will be displayed on the screen. When the transaction is successfully completed, it will print the transaction receipt with the tip amount.